friends, how are you all? Welcome back to MTS Ideas. So today we'll know how to download Instagram videos in your gallery with audio. You're watching part 2, and if you have not watched part 1 yet, you can click the link in the description below for part 1. Okay, so let's start the video. Moving on to step 3. For downloading an Instagram video, first of all you need to click on the share icon shown down below. Now we'll select add to story. Now we'll click on the three dots shown at the top right corner and then we'll select save. So friends, now our video has been saved in the gallery. Let's check the video. As we open the gallery, we'll be able to see that our video has been saved. This was about how to download a video through Instagram, but if your video is not being downloaded through this step, you may try step 4 for downloading your Instagram video. Let's move on to step 4. After opening up the video, click on the share icon shown down below and over here we'll click on copy link. Over here friends, I have downloaded Instagram downloader in which we can download our Instagram videos quickly with audio. I have provided the link for this app in the description below. You can click on the link and install the app from my description. Once you open the app, you have to paste the link over here and click on download. Over here, as you can see that the link which I had copied and pasted is being downloaded, and this video will be downloaded in my gallery with good audio and good quality. So friends, I hope you have understood well. If you have any doubts regarding the video, you can write them in the comment section below. Also friends, check out part 1, link is in the description, in which you will get more alternatives of how to download a video in your gallery. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to MTS Ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.